So David Nolan recently put some instructions up on the Om Next wiki that kind of details how to hook together a component that involves a remote, where you need to have something asynchronously going out, getting some results, and incorporating them back into your app state. So this is kind of it's kind of getting up to a higher level of complexity where you have a lot of stuff going on, and it even involves some core async stuff at the bottom. So what I wanted to do, this is all set up to work in a web page. So I wanted to make sure that this works with React Native, and kind of this would help me understand Om Next in general. So I have it set up and running on my iPhone now, and I wanted to give a demo of that. So it's basically the type of thing where as you type, it will fetch things from Wikipedia, and the as you type, it's doing rate limiting and whatnot, and the results are being shown in this list on the bottom. So the one nice thing is this is actually pretty much the same code that David had on the wiki, but just kind of modified to work with React Native. So one of the main differences is essentially there's a bit where the web page goes out and fetches stuff from Wikipedia, and in the React Native version of this stuff, the JSON-P Google library is not available in the JavaScript core that I'm working in. So what I did was I took I had actually recently ported HTTP library to ClojureScript, and then that layers on top of AF networking, which is a popular HTTP library used for iOS apps. So this basically is a change here to basically, instead of using this JSON-P library, to actually just use what effectively is AF networking in the end to make the request to Wikipedia and come back. But otherwise, the code is pretty much the same as David's code. You can really look at it if you compare these. I actually have this up on GitHub, so you can actually try this stuff yourself. And I think this is pretty cool. It kind of proves to me that all this stuff that's kind of getting to a higher level of complexity actually works on React Native as well. All right, thanks for watching.